Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw the baby Scooby from the upcoming movie Scoob. Now, to start off with this, we want to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm going to make an oval shape for one eye right here. And then over here, I'm going to make a little bit more of a circular shape for this one. Then inside of here, I'm going to add a big circle inside each one. And then I'm just going to add a big and small circle on the top and bottom of each one. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of it for the pupil. Now, starting right here, he's got a really big nose. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw lines just going to kind of go around, and that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve up and come right to here. Then I'm going to add a curved line here, and then a curved line here for the nostrils. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line, and I'm going to add another curved line on this side. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down. It's going to curve up like this. And then I'm going to go down. It's going to kind of curve out and then in like this. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line for the tongue with a little line going down. Then I'm going to add a little curved line here and a little curved line here. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around and then down. And then same thing here, little line's just going to curve around and then down. Now, right above his eyes, I'm going to draw an eyebrow that kind of goes up and down like this. And then I'm going to make one that's a little bit taller up here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up and down, and then up and down over here, and then just come down. Now, for the ears, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up and down like this, and then back up. Then I'm just going to kind of curve it back to here and add a little line there. Now this one, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up and that's going to go down here. Another line that just kind of goes out and then curves down. Another line that just kind of curves out and then comes back up like this. And then another one that just kind of goes down and curves in. And then one that curves right to here. Now, starting right here by his face, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and then go to here. And then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve all the way around for his collar. And then I'm going to draw two little lines up here just to show that his collar is really big on him. Right here, I'm going to draw two lines going down, and then I want to put a nice big rectangle in the middle of it. And then make a little skinny line right here. Then I'm going to add another little kind of skinny oval shape. And I'm going to put a great big diamond shape right here. Then inside of here, I'm going to add another little diamond shape. And then I'm just going to put a big S and then a big kind of triangular shape D in here. Now for his legs. So I'm going to make these kind of small. So I'm going to draw a line here and then a line down here. I'm going to make a big circle shape right here for one toe. And then another one that's kind of hiding behind it. and another one hiding behind it. And then I'm just going to draw a line up to here. I'm going to start a line here, kind of do the same thing, make a big circle shape for a toe. One hiding right here, and then another one hiding right there. Then I'm going to draw 3 more on this side for his back foot. And then do the same thing here, just put 3 more. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes up and in. And I'll draw this one just kind of go out and then down right here. And then I'll add a little line here and a little line here. Then for his little tail, I'm just going to draw lines that's just going to kind of curve around here. And then it's just going to come right back here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the baby Scooby-Doo from the new movie Scoob. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.